everyone. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It is now 6:40 here in the evening. So actually, guys, I finished making spaghetti for our dinner, and I also finished giving food to the animals, and now I'm ready to eat the food that I cook. It's a yummy one, guys. I love that. I really love that. Now I need to get a spoon for brother so I can eat. I'll just get a small bowl here, and spaghetti, guys, my favorite. Me and Philip not fan of a sweet spaghetti. I'm the one who cooked this one, guys, and a Filipino style spaghetti is sweet, and Philip don't like sweet, and me don't like sweet too, because I wanna feel the tomato. So here is my spaghetti, guys. I am pretty sure Philip's already done eating. So this is my spaghetti, guys. It's not clear, but it's yummy. I add here a special ground pork. Kalami. Ayan po. Let's eat, guys. I wanna sit here in the sofa, and while I'm eating here, because I am alone here in the kitchen, I'm watching the TV, guys. Ay, sorry. So while I'm having my spaghetti, I am watching here the news, the local news, and so nice to sit and lay down and just eat like look look at myself. Lazy. I feel lazy, guys, is because I work on my garden, then I plant some seedlings like cucumber, dill, lettuce, eggplant. I plant a lot of that, and itchy my feet. How was that, quick, babe? My quick. And yeah, that's what I did this afternoon. Then I make some project to plastic. And I already painted one too. There are yellow one. That one. Yeah. I did that this afternoon. So by tomorrow, that's ready to make another project, guys, on my garden. So I need to set straight up here. Okay, let's eat. My food yummy, guys. I love spaghetti. Sarap. Ito po, guys. Let's eat, guys. Yum. Marami pa po akong lilinisin dito guys mamaya guys. Matutulog po ako around 10 o'clock in the evening guys. That is my schedule. Ouch. So I just take my time here having my spaghetti. Yummy po. Yummy po yung niluto ko guys. Uubusin ko itong lahat. Tago muna ako guys. Let's eat guys. Uubusin ko ito lahat. Yan. Sarap po. Ayoko pong ipakita yung mouth ko guys. My mouth is full. Baka ma-shock po kayo. Secret na lang po natin to guys. Ayan po oh. Ayan, spaghetti guys. Sarap po. Sarap po talaga yung Italian sauce. Tapos, yung special meat po, yung pork. Grabe. Walang ano guys, hindi ko po nilagyan ng ang tawag nito. Onion at saka garlic kasi wala na po kami onion. Mayroon pa kami garlic pero wala namang onion. So, hindi ko na lang nilagyan. May seasoning naman eh. Diba? Sarap. Yan po. Lapit na po. Ubos na po guys. Binilisan ko pong kumain guys kasi magwas pa po ako ng LS. Busog na ko guys. Busog. Oh. Wala na po yung laman dyan. Pero parang kumakain pa rin. Thank you guys. I need to watch now the LS. My funny friend. What do you call it? Thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now guys.